This is the ULANZI TT30 ultra portable camera tripod. It's small, but it still kind of has a bit of weight to it, but it does feel really well built. It's made from aluminium or aluminum. It folds down to a real nice compact size. Perfect for travel, only 11.8 inches long. It weighs 1.8 pounds, which is 0.8 kilos. It fits nicely into backpacks, nicely into bags, shoulder bags. It even comes with its own carry bag. The legs feel nice and solid. The weight rating on this, what it can support from ULANZI, states that it can support up to 20 kilos. So it can hold all your professional cameras and heavy lenses as well. But I wouldn't go to 20 kilos. If you use your phone to create content, this is ideal for walking around, streaming. Holding one leg out like this and holding the tripod out the front is ideal. It's got no center column, that keeps it lighter and easier to pack. So overall, the design is nice and clean and simple, which is what I like about it. So what's in the box, you might ask? Well, not much is in the box. And what you get in the box is this nice little shoulder carry bag. It's also nicely padded, and you do get a little Allen key, but I don't know where that is now. I thought I had it in here, but I don't. Well, how does it feel in the hands? Well, straight off the bat, it feels really, really good. It feels like quality. Feels like it's well made. If you look after it, it should last you for many years. The legs are twist lock and they're nice and smooth. Very smooth. So the legs do adjust to different angles. So all you do is just bring out this little clip, and it's not spring loaded, which is really good because I don't like it when it comes out and it goes back in automatically. I like it when it's out, and then you can adjust it to the height that you want or to the angle, and then you can just hold in the clip and it'll fall into its slot. And that's the angle there. Again, just move it past, hold it in, and it'll fall into its slot, which is really useful. The ball head has a nice smooth pan, a very nice smooth pan. I'm actually surprised of how smooth it really is. So you can actually do those real cool panning moves with your phone or your camera. So switching from horizon to vertical, very easy, easily done. So there are safety pins here as well. So when you put your quick release plate on and it's loose, it won't slide off. So it gives you a bit of peace of mind. But being so small and so well built, your cameras do feel really good and secure on this tripod. And talking about the quick release plate, it is an Arca Swiss. So on the side here, you get your extra little port here, which is a 1/4 inch port, which you can attach a light or a microphone. So it is perfect for a vlogger. Now with the no center column, you can get those really low shots, and it works really well for those kind of angles. For real world use, I have easily attached my camera with a lens with no problems whatsoever. So for travel, the size makes a lot of sense. This tripod is made for people that do talking head videos, just like what I'm doing right now. It also works great for on the desk for holding up your teleprompter as well. So if you want to do those review videos like I'm doing right now, you can do that certainly with this. And who do I find this more useful for? Well, I'd say vloggers would really enjoy this, and walking around streamers, live streamers, they would really enjoy this. And you could travel with it really easily because of the size. If you want a compact tripod that still feels safe with your main camera, this is worth looking at. And if you found this video useful, you might want to watch this one right here. Yeah, so please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Woohoo!